Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I show you how to increase your RAM on Windows 11. It's called virtual memory. When you increase this RAM, your performance become better. Without delay, let's start. In the search bar, type here settings, type here storage settings, scroll down. Here is advanced storage settings, click here, scroll down. Storage used on other device, click here, click in this Windows or Drive C, click system reserved. Look, now our virtual memory is 2 gig. Let's increase this virtual memory. Close this page, go to control panel, type here control panel, open control panel, click on system. Here is advanced system settings, click here. Here is performance, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change, and check this automatically manage. Click on custom size, enter your initialized size memory. You can write by MB. How? Open your calculator, right here 1024 1024, it is 1 MB. 1024 MB is 1 gig. Now you can multiply by any number you want. For example, you want maximum 32 gig RAM, right here 32. Then click on equal, write this number here 32768. In this step, enter your initialized size. Again, repeat this step, write 1024, multiply. For example, we want the initialized size 20 gig or 24 or 25, any of them you want. For example, I want 20 gig. Then click on equal, write this number here 2480. Click on set. After that, click on OK. Close this calculator. Again, click on OK. Click on OK. In this step, you need to restart your system. When you restart your systems, again, type here settings, open settings, type here storage settings, click here, scroll down. Here we have advanced storage, click here. Again, come back to storage used on other device, click on Drive C, click on system reserved. Look, here we have 29 gig. Before we had 2 gig. When you increase your virtual RAM, your performance will become better. Guys, I hope you enjoy from this video. Have a good day. See you soon.